We're about to spill the tea on some serious hair secrets today, okay? We're talking about those gorgeous, luscious locks that Ethiopian women are known for. Like, seriously, have you ever seen such thick, healthy, and long hair? It's like they're born. Have you ever seen such thick, healthy, and long hair? It's like they're born with magic wands instead of hands. So what's their secret? Expensive hair products? Fancy salon treatments? Girl, please. The answer is actually much simpler and way more natural. Think ancient remedies passed down through generations. Think about a plant so powerful it's practically worshipped in Ethiopia. That's right, we're talking about aloe vera, or as they call it in Ethiopia, Iret. Ethiopian women have been using Iret for centuries to nourish their hair and promote crazy growth, and trust me, they're onto something. This miracle plant is like a one-stop shop for all your hair needs. So if you're ready to ditch the chemicals and embrace the power of nature, then stick around because I'm about to break down exactly how aloe vera can transform your hair game. You don't want to miss this. Okay, so let's talk about scalp health for a second. Because sis, if your scalp ain't happy, your hair ain't gonna be happy either. It's like the foundation for everything. And you know what they say? A strong foundation builds a strong house, or in this case, strong, healthy hair. Now, one of the biggest culprits behind a dry, flaky, and irritated scalp is, you guessed it, dehydration. And that's where our girl Aloe Vera swoops in to save the day. See, aloe vera is like 96% water, which means it's a total hydration powerhouse. When you apply it to your scalp, it's like giving it a tall glass of water on a hot summer day. It just soaks it all up. But it's not just about quenching your scalp's thirst, honey. When your scalp is properly hydrated, it creates the perfect environment for healthy hair growth. Think about it. Dry, flaky scalp? Your hair follicles are struggling to breathe, let alone grow. But a hydrated, balanced scalp? Your hair follicles are like, okay girl, let's do this. Time to flourish. And the best part is, aloe vera is gentle enough for even the most sensitive scalps. So if you're dealing with dryness, itchiness, or irritation, this is your new BFF. Trust me, your scalp will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk vitamins, baby. These tiny powerhouses are essential for our overall health and well-being, because just like our bodies need a healthy dose of vitamins to thrive, so does our hair. Without them, our hair can become dull, weak, and lifeless. And let me tell you, aloe vera is like a multivitamin, specifically designed for your tresses. It's nature's gift to your hair care routine. It's packed with vitamins A, C, and E, which are basically the holy trinity of hair health. These vitamins work together to nourish and protect your hair. First up, we got vitamin A. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining a healthy scalp and promoting hair growth. This little powerhouse is all about cell growth and repair. It ensures that your scalp remains in top condition, which is essential for healthy hair. It helps to keep your scalp healthy and promotes the production of sebum, which is your scalp's natural oil. Sebum is vital for keeping your hair moisturized. And before you start thinking, oil? Ooh, no thanks. Remember, sebum is actually your hair's best friend. Let me tell you, sebum is actually your hair's best friend. It keeps your strands moisturized, protected, and looking shiny and fabulous. It keeps your strands moisturized, protected, and looking shiny and fabulous. Without it, your hair can become dry and brittle. Next, we got vitamin C, the queen of collagen production. Collagen is a protein that provides structure to your hair. Collagen is essential for strong, healthy hair because it provides structure and elasticity. It helps your hair withstand daily wear and tear. So, if you're struggling with breakage or split ends, vitamin C is here to save the day. It strengthens your hair and prevents damage. It helps to strengthen your hair from the inside out, making it more resilient to damage. Strong hair is less likely to break or split. And last but not least, we got vitamin E, the antioxidant extraordinaire. This vitamin is crucial for protecting your hair from damage. This powerful nutrient protects your hair from environmental damage caused by things like pollution, UV rays, and even heat styling. It acts as a shield for your hair. It helps to neutralize free radicals which can wreak havoc on your hair, leaving it dry, brittle, and prone to breakage. Vitamin E keeps your hair healthy and strong. So, basically, aloe vera is like a vitamin-packed smoothie for your hair. It provides all the essential nutrients your strands need to grow long, strong, and healthy. It provides all the essential nutrients your strands need to grow long, strong, and healthy. Incorporate aloe vera into your hair care routine and watch your hair transform. Okay, let's be real for a second. Who doesn't love the feeling of soft, smooth, and manageable hair? It's like instant confidence in a bottle, right? But sometimes, achieving that silky, smooth texture can feel like an uphill battle. especially if you're dealing with dryness, frizz, or tangles. Well, guess what? Aloe Vera is about to become your new secret weapon for achieving those hair goals. See, this miracle plant isn't just great for your scalp, it's also an amazing natural conditioner for your strands. Aloe Vera is packed with enzymes that help to smooth down the hair cuticle, which is the outermost layer of your hair shaft. Think of it like this. When your hair cuticle is rough and raised, it causes friction, leading to tangles, frizz, and dullness. But when your cuticle is smooth and sealed, your hair reflects light more evenly, giving it that gorgeous shine we all crave. And the best part is, Aloe Vera's conditioning properties go beyond just surface-level smoothness. It actually penetrates deep into the hair shaft, providing intense hydration and nourishment. This helps to strengthen your hair from the inside out, making it more resilient to breakage and damage. So, if you're looking for a natural way to condition your hair, look no further than Aloe Vera. It's like a deep conditioning treatment in a plant, leaving your hair soft, smooth, shiny, and oh so touchable. Let's be real, y'all, dandruff is the worst. It's itchy, it's flaky, and it can be super embarrassing. You're constantly worried about those white flakes showing up on your clothes. And if you're anything like me, you've probably tried every dandruff shampoo and treatment under the sun, only to be met with temporary relief and a whole lot of frustration. It feels like a never-ending battle. But before you throw in the towel, or should I say the comb, let me introduce you to the natural dandruff-fighting superhero you've been waiting for, Aloe Vera. See, Aloe Vera isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a versatile plant with multiple benefits. It's not just about hydration and shine, it's about overall scalp health. This plant is also a total boss when it comes to tackling scalp issues like dandruff and itchiness. So what makes Aloe Vera such a dandruff-fighting powerhouse? Let's dive into its properties. Well, for starters, it has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties. These properties help to combat the overgrowth of Malassezia globosa, a yeast-like fungus that's often the culprit behind dandruff. It's like having a secret weapon against those pesky flakes. But it doesn't stop there. Aloe Vera goes above and beyond. Aloe Vera also has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that help to calm and soothe an irritated scalp. So, if you're dealing with itchiness, redness, or inflammation, you're in luck. Aloe Vera can provide much-needed relief. It's like a cool, calming balm for your scalp. And the best part is, unlike many harsh dandruff shampoos that can strip your scalp of its natural oils, Aloe Vera is gentle and nourishing. It's like giving your scalp a spa day. It helps to restore your scalp's natural balance, making it healthier and more resilient, creating a healthy environment for hair growth. Your hair will thank you for it. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to dandruff and hello to a healthy, flake-free scalp, it's time to add Aloe Vera to your hair care routine. Trust me, it's a game changer. Trust me, your scalp will thank you for it. You'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Alright, let's talk about hair breakage, because let's be real, it's the ultimate dream killer. It's that one thing that stands between you and the long, luscious locks you've always wanted. You're trying to grow your hair long and luscious, but it seems like every time you turn around, you're finding broken strands on your clothes, in your brush, and all over your bathroom floor. It's like a never-ending battle that you just can't seem to win. Ugh! The struggle is real. But don't lose hope just yet. But don't worry, my friend, because Aloe Vera is here to save the day, and your hair, once again. This humble plant is more powerful than it looks. This miracle plant isn't just about hydration, shine, and scalp health. It's also a total boss when it comes to strengthening your hair strands and preventing breakage. It's like having a secret weapon in your hair care arsenal. So, how does it work? How does Aloe Vera manage to do all this? Well, Aloe Vera is packed with enzymes that help to repair damaged hair from the inside out. These enzymes are like little miracle workers for your hair. These enzymes work their magic by smoothing down the hair cuticle, which is the outermost layer of your hair shaft. A smooth cuticle means less friction and less breakage. When your cuticle is smooth and sealed, it's less prone to breakage and damage. This means your hair can grow longer and stronger without those annoying split ends. But it doesn't stop there. Aloe Vera has even more tricks up its sleeve. Aloe Vera also contains something called proteolytic enzymes. These are the real game changers. These enzymes are basically like tiny little construction workers that help to repair damaged protein bonds in your hair. They get to work on the inside, fixing and fortifying your strands. And since hair is made up of protein, these enzymes are essential for maintaining strong, healthy strands. They ensure your hair remains resilient and robust. And if that wasn't enough, aloe vera also helps to improve your hair's elasticity, which is its ability to stretch without breaking. Elasticity is key to preventing breakage, especially during styling. This is especially important if you love to style your hair with heat or chemicals, as these processes can weaken your hair and make it more prone to breakage. Aloe vera helps to counteract these effects. So if you're ready to say goodbye to breakage, and hello to strong healthy hair that can withstand anything life throws at it, it's time to add aloe vera to your hair care routine. It's a simple addition with powerful results. Trust me, your hair will thank you for it. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. And there you have it, my loves. The ancient Ethiopian secret to long, thick and healthy hair is out. Who knew that a simple plant like aloe vera could be the answer to all our hair woes? So, are you ready to ditch the chemical-laden hair products and try this ancient Ethiopian beauty secret? Give Iret a try and see the magic for yourself. Let us know in the comments if you've ever used aloe vera for your hair and what results you got. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural beauty secrets from Ethiopia. See you in the next one.